Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows BT folder won't delete. Here's how to remove it. Open command prompt with administrative privileges. Run commands one by one. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.